You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these phrases, originally from French, and how it's usually pronounced in the US. This is the name of a city in South Dakota. French pronunciation first is Belle Fourche. Belle Fourche. Now, in English, in the US, the R is not pronounced, and it's generally pronounced as Belle Fourche. Belle Fourche from French, Belle Fourche. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.